Welcome to the spoken tutorial on how to receive serials. In this tutorial, we will learn how to receive serials, claim late serials, check serials expiration, renew serials, and search serials. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux operating system 16.04 and Koha version 16.05. To follow this tutorial, you should have knowledge of library science. To practice this tutorial, you should have Koha installed on your system and you should also have admin access in Koha. Please refer to the Koha spoken tutorial series on this website for more details. To receive serials, let's log in to Koha as Superlibrarian. Alternately, you may log in as a patron who has serials control rights. I will log in as Superlibrarian. On the Koha homepage, click on Serials. At the top of the new page, locate the field for Title. Enter the first or any word from the title of the journal. For example, I will type Microbiology. Click on Submit button at the right side of the field. A new page, Serials Subscriptions, opens. This page shows the detail for ISSN, title, notes, library, location, call number, expiration date, and actions. Click on the tab Actions at the extreme right side of the table. From the drop-down, select Serial Receive. Another page, Serial Edition, Indian Journal of Microbiology, opens with the table. In this table, under the section Status, click on the drop-down and select Arrived. Next, click on the Save button at the bottom of the page. Another page opens with the heading Serial Collection Information for Indian Journal of Microbiology. Here we can see the subscription summary. In this way, we can receive serials. Now, let's learn how to claim late serials. Koha can send email messages to the serials vendors if there are late issues. Say for example, out of 4 serials issues, the library has received only issue number 1, 2 and 4. And issue number 3 has not been received. In such a case, a claim can be sent for issue number 3 that is still to be received. To send a claim for an issue, click on the Home page and then Serials. To the left of the main Serials page, there is an option named Claims. Click on Claims. A new page opens with a dialog box, No Claims Notice Defined. Please define one. Click on Please define one. A new page, Notices and Slips, opens. Under Notices and Slips, locate the tab Select a Library. From the drop-down, select your library name. I will select Spoken Tutorial Library. Under the tab Select a Library, click on the tab New Notice. A new page opens with the heading Add Notice. On the same page, for the section Library, Koha will by default choose the library name. In my case, it will choose Spoken Tutorial Library. For Koha module, from the drop-down, select Claim Serial Issue. In the field for Code, type Claim. In the field for Name, type Unsupplied Issues. Next, click on the section Email. In the field for Message Subject, type Unsupplied Issues. Under the section Message Body, type the email to the vendor. In my case, the vendor is Mumbai Journal Supplier. I have written a short email to my vendor. You may pause the video and write an email to your library's vendor. Next, if required, you may fill in the details for phone, print and SMS. I will leave them blank. Next, click on Submit button at the bottom of the page. A new page, Notices and Slips, opens. Under Notices and Slips, locate the tab Select a Library. From the drop-down, select your library. On the same page, a table appears with filled-in details under the following tabs: Library, Module, Code, Name, Copy Notice, and Actions. Next, go back to Koha homepage and click on Serials. Now click on Claims. In the field for Vendor, select the required vendor from the drop-down. As I have only one vendor, I will go ahead with the vendor Mumbai Journal Supplier. Next, click on OK at the right side of the field. A new page with title Missing Issues opens. On the new page, click on the checkbox on the left side for Mumbai Journal Supplier. You may click the checkbox as per your vendor. Next, click on Send Notification button at the bottom of the page. The same page reopens, and with this an email is sent to the vendor. Note that the email is sent from Koha server to the respective vendor. We will now learn about check expiration. Check expiration is used for checking when the subscriptions are about to expire. On the Koha homepage, click on Serials and then on Check Expiration. Now, under the section for Filter Results, go to Library and from the drop-down select Spoken Tutorial Library. Remember to only mention the expiring before. This will fetch a complete list of all the journals that would expire before that particular date. For expiring before, I will enter 01/01/2019. Now click on the search button at the bottom of the page. On the same page, a list of journals that are due to expire by 01/01/2019 appear in a tabular form. We can also see the following details: ISSN, title, library, opaque note, non-public note, expiration date, and actions. Now, under the tab Actions, click on the button Renew. A new window with the heading Subscription Renewal for Indian Journal of Microbiology opens up. On this page, enter the following. For start date, please enter the date as per your requirement. I will enter 01/01/2018. Next is subscription length. It is suggested to fill in one of the three fields, namely number of num, that is issues, number of weeks, number of months. As my journal is a quarterly publication, Koha by default has selected 4 as number of num, that is issues. You may enter as per your requirement. Leave the field "Note for the librarian that will manage your renewal request" as blank. Next, click on the Submit button at the bottom of the page. We are brought to the page Check Expiration. Here, under the section for Filter Results, select the expiring before as 01/12/2019. Remember to only mention the expiring date. This will fetch a complete list of all the journals that would expire before that particular date. On the same page, a list of journals that would be expiring before 01/12/2019 appears in a tabular form. We can also see the following details: ISSN, title, library, opaque note, non-public note, expiration date and actions. This is how we can create the schedule for serials and receive them as per arrival of the volume and issues. You may now log out from the Koha Super Librarian account. Go to the top right corner of the Koha interface. Click on the Spoken Tutorial Library and from the drop-down select Logout. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned how to receive serials, claim late serials, check serials expiration, renew serials, and search serials. For assignment, in an earlier tutorial, a new subscription for the Journal of Molecular Biology was added. As an assignment, renew the same subscription. The video at the following link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Please post your timed queries in this forum. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This is Bella Tony from IIT Bombay signing off. Thank you for joining.